Assalamualaikum. Hi guys. In this video, I'm going to focus about resonance structure. Resonance structure is defined as two or more Lewis structures for a single molecule that cannot be represented accurately by only one Lewis structure. It means that for Lewis structure of a molecule, sometimes we can draw two or more, but somewhere in the middle should be a resonance structure. So in order for us to show the resonance structure, we are going to determine by using different arrangement of electrons, but they are all with the same atomic structure. And we are going to use a symbol or a sign, double-headed arrow, to indicate that the structures shown are resonance structure. So for example, I have this picture. I got NO3 minus. NO3 minus has three resonance structure where we have A, B, and C. So between three of these, you can see that they got different arrangement of electrons. For example, double bond between nitrogen and oxygen on the left, or nitrogen and oxygen in the middle, or nitrogen and oxygen at the right. So you can see that the arrangement of electrons are different. It means that this structure still the same based on their atoms, but they got different arrangement of electrons. So that is why I'm going to indicate by using symbol or sign, double-headed arrow here. This one and this one. So this is how we can understand that the Lewis structure for NO3 minus is somewhere between these three structures. That is what I mean by resonance structure. So, as an example, I'm going to use example 33, draw the resonance structure for SO2 minus. In your notes, maybe there is an extra question for B. Please eliminate that question because I'm just going to focus how to draw the resonance structure for this molecule only. So, in order for us to start, please make sure you still know no matter what, you have to draw the Lewis structure. So I'm going to calculate my total number of valence electron in SO2. So I have sulfur with 6 valence electrons, and then I have 2 oxygen with 2 times 6 electron. It means that 12 electron. The total will be 18 electron. In this case, I'm going to draw the first structure for SO2. The first one where my central atom should be sulfur because sulfur is least electronegative compared to oxygen. So sulfur will be the central atom. And I have 2 oxygens, so we got 2 bonding pair between sulfur and oxygen. 2 bonding pairs means 4 electrons, so 18 minus 4, I got 14 electrons left. And next, I'm going to fill in at the terminal atom. So each terminal atom should get 6 electrons because it has 2 already. So the total will be 12. So 14 minus 12 will be 2 electrons left. So these 2 electrons, I'm going to put it at the center. So I got sulfur, my central atom. So 2 electrons here to make it as a pair. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure my sulfur is octet as well. So we can see that sulfur only has 6 electrons. So it needs 2 more. So I'm going to take from oxygen at the right, the lone pair here, I'm going to take it and put it here. So what will happen, I'm going to draw my new structure with double bond, which is between sulfur and oxygen at the right. So you can see that I got sulfur with double bond, oxygen and oxygen. So the oxygen at the left still got 8 electrons with 3 lone pairs, and then oxygen at the right got 2 lone pairs left because one of it already make the double bond. So what you can see here, sulfur achieve the octet stability with 1 single bond, and here double bond and lone pair. So you got 2, 2, 2 and 2, 8 electrons. So this is the first structure of SO2. But right now, there is one more possibility to draw the resonance structure, because I can see that I also can take and make double bond from oxygen from the left. If I take lone pair from oxygen from the left, I will have double bond here, and here stay as it is with single bond. So I'm going to draw another structure. I have sulfur bonded with oxygen on the left with double bond, oxygen on the right with single bond. So what's left here is 2 lone pairs and oxygen at the right with 3 lone pairs, and sulfur has 1 lone pair. So this is what I mean by resonance. You can see that the different arrangement of electrons, here you got 4 electrons at the left, and here you got 4 electrons at the right, but it still got the same atomic structure. So we can understand that the Lewis structure for SO2 is somewhere in between these two molecules. So that is why I cannot say this is the exact Lewis structure and this is the right Lewis structure, but I can show by using resonance, by indicating using sign double-headed arrow between these two structures. So you got structure A and structure B. So everyone can know that when you label this sign, automatically examiner can know that you mean from this answer A and B are resonance structures for SO2. So that is how you want to show the resonance structure for a molecule. So that is what I want to talk about in this video. I hope you can understand. Please try to complete this 7.0 before our tutorial class. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!